Okay, hello and welcome. So I will show you how to set up the Wonder Carousel for WordPress. Okay, first of all, go and search for this Wonder Carousel, WordPress Wonder Carousel. Okay, you will find this link. Okay, click it and then open it like you usually do. Open in a tab, and then you'll find this. Yeah, my internet is slow. Then you have to click this download trial version 16.4, which is not actually a trial. You can use it. It's a free version with watermark. That's all. I will show you how to remove the watermark next time, or in the next video, or maybe in this video. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, probably in this video. Yeah, you can see that. Okay. And then you have to click download because I already downloaded it, so I don't have to, but you have to download it if you don't have. Okay, yes. So I will cancel this. I don't want this. There you go. Now I will go to the dashboard. See, this is WordPress 5.2.2. Okay, go to the plugins, add new or install new. No, add new because we are going to upload the plugin, not install from the WordPress. Now click on upload, select browser. I mean, you have to select the file. See, Wonder Carousel, which you have downloaded from the website. Okay, open, install now. Voila, there you go. It will install and fast forward it. Wonder plugin Carousel. Okay, now activate the plugin. I'm going to use this Wonder Carousel on this sample page. Okay, here I'm going to use this. It's been activated. The plugin is activated. Where is it? Wonder Carousel. Okay, it's been activated. You can see here. Here it is. Okay, so click on Wonder Carousel or overview of new carousel. Okay, so then you have to create a new carousel. So right now I want my post from to appear here. Okay, where there is written test. I need that post here to slide and everything. So I will click on create a new carousel. Okay, it will. This is the name of the carousel. I mean the which you are going to apply here. Okay, so I will write it my post carousel or whatever the name you want to put it in. So here you can here you can add images, videos, YouTube playlist, as written here. So I want the posts. Okay, so I click on post, and here you can see the recent post, all categories. I'm using recent post, ordered by date, or you can add tags. Okay, but I'm not going to. This is the post title, and I want the link to the post. So when I click the title, so it will take me there. You can add how much length of you want. This is 25. I'm not going to change that. I need thumbnail, of course. I don't want it to open in the lightbox, so I will keep it this one, and I will target it to blank. I want it to open in the new page. Okay, order range, if you want to change, you can change. Only get posts from past 30 days, but okay, I will keep it 10. ordered by, okay, same, there is no change here. Okay, and yeah, click OK. It's been added. Okay, so if you have to change any skin, that is the how the slider should look like. So I'm going to apply classic one. Okay, not this one, this one, and whatever you want here, there is a lot of options. You can select any one of them. After selecting this, you just have to go and save and publish. But I will show you the options. You can change the height and width of the thumbnail. Okay, you can customize it for yourself. You know, you can explore it how you want. You can add say bullet images. Okay, you can change everything. The speed, left or right, how which direction you want it to go. Responsive, of course, it is already done, so you don't have to do much. Content template, skin css, the css of that thumbnails and everything. This is a video, thumbnail, text, advanced option. Yeah, you don't have to do. You can write css directly here. You don't have to go and write it in style sheet of the WordPress. You can directly apply here. It's your option. Okay, right now there is no preview, so I will save and publish. Okay, here's the short code which you need to add it to the text. Okay, I will copy this, and now I want to edit this page. I want that carousel to be in the this one, so I will select this and open a new tab. So here it is. This is the page. Okay, this page. Okay, this is just a sample page, so it's for just showing you guys. So I need that slider below this block. So I'm going to add one here. Classic, whatever you want, you can add. And then I will paste the link here, which I got from this new carousel from here. Okay, so I've pasted it here. So that I can preview it first, so that I can know how it looks like. It's loading. So there you go. Yeah, this, because we use a flip one, so it's like flipping. Okay, so if I don't need this, okay, I like, I don't need this, it doesn't look good, so I'll go back to the new carousel one. Okay, so this is the published one. Okay, you can change the skin. Click on skin, you can change it here. So like I want okay, this one, the read more one. Okay, so I'll select it and say publish. I don't have to again copy this and paste the code. Okay, I can just go to the sample page and just reload it, like I will show it now. Okay, now go to the sample page and refresh. Okay, control shift, or you can just reload. There you go. See, it's a new one, right? It looks good, right? Now I will show you how to remove this watermark in a few seconds, in a few minutes. Okay, so you can do this. You can also add okay, but you can add many other things, like you can add images or post, but I only wanted this post right now. You can go to the manage carousel and see your added carousels there. See, this is the This is the one we created, the post carousel. Okay, this is a test version I created, so it's just earlier on. So you can edit it, or you can clone exactly the same and just go and change the things there. You can click clone and it will clone this one, but it will not publish. It will be in the draft. Okay, so this is how you can clone this. You can copy it and then you can go and edit and change the name of the carousel, and you can use it again. The only thing it changes is the short code. This is id3. This is my short code link which I use for the sample one. id equal to 2. Okay, uh, so I will show you how to remove the watermark from this carousel. Okay, so for that you just need to change some css, so I will give the code in the description. Okay, or I will show it to you right here. So you just need to add this code to remove the watermark from the wonder carousel. Okay, this watermark. So we will remove the watermark, and it will not be able, no one will able to go to their website. So I mean, you should buy the plugin, but we don't have money, so we'll be using free version, right? So for that, go to the desktop, copy this, or you can copy after going to appearance, customize. Okay, click and open new tab, and go to additional css and paste the code here. Okay, publish. Just reload the page. There you go, it works, it's gone. And if you click on this, it will not take you to the wonder carousel website, it will take you to your own page. So that's how it goes. Okay, remember to add this code and publish and reload this page, and there you go. If you have any problem with this code, make sure to comment down below. Okay, and that's it guys, this is the guide for adding wordpress and removing this watermark. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe. Bye.